In this video, we will compare Firebase versus Appwrite. Firebase is a popular platform for building and managing mobile and web applications, offering a comprehensive suite of tools ranging from real-time databases to authentication and analytics. Its ease of integration and powerful back-end services make it a very attractive choice for developers, especially for rapid prototype and small to medium-sized projects. Featuring like Firestore, Firebase Authentication and Firebase Cloud Messaging provide seamless solutions for common app development needs. However, with Firebase can be incredibly inconvenient. It does have limitations. For larger scale projects or applications with complex backend requirements, Firebase can become very costly, as its pricing structure is based off usage. Additionally, as a fully managed platform, developers have limited control over certain aspects of their infrastructure. Overall, Firebase is a fantastic option for smaller projects and quicker development. Another notable aspect of Firebase is its real-time capabilities, particularly with Firebase Real-Time Database. This can make it a standout choice from applications requiring instant data syncing across users. Whether it's a chat app, live updates or collaborative features, Firebase handles these use cases very smoothly. Its integration with Google Cloud Services also offers another seamless experience for many developers already within the Google ecosystem. However, one of the downsides is the learning curve. It can be very steep for many beginners, especially when navigating Firebase's array of services and understanding the best practices for structuring data. Moreover, some users have reported that Firebase documentation can occasionally be overwhelming, making it challenging to find clear solutions for specific issues. Despite these hurdles, Firebase remains a powerful tool for many developers, an all-in-one backend platform. Appwrite is an open-source backend as a service platform that provides a solid solution for tools on building and managing website and mobile applications. It includes features such as real-time databases, file storage, serverless functions, and all bundled together in an easy-to-use package. One of the standout aspects of Appwrite is its focus on providing self-hosting options. These allow developers to have a complete control over their infrastructure and data privacy. Additionally, its well-documented API and extensive SDK support makes it relatively straightforward to integrate into projects. However, despite this, Appwrite is still a young platform, and while it continues to improve day over day, some users have noted that it can lack scalability and the sustainability of more established BAS solutions such as Firebase or Supabase. There has also been reports of occasional bugs or missing features that can hinder its development. Another appealing aspect of Appwrite is its community-driven approach, which allows developers to contribute and shape the platform's future. This open-source model fosters a sense of collaboration and community, giving it flexibility to modify the platform to suit their specific needs. Overall, Appwrite is a promising open-source solution for many developers who want to control over their backend, but it may not be as polished as other features or other alternatives such as Firebase, Supabase or Pocketbase.